Hi, I'm Mohammad Imran, a WordPress developer with over 10 years of experience helping businesses build fast, modern, and conversion-focused websites.
I specialize in custom WordPress development, Elementor, WooCommerce, theme and plugin customization, website optimization, and fixing complex WordPress issues. My technical expertise includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, and the WordPress REST API. This allows me to build scalable and reliable solutions for every project. Whether you need a website built from scratch, custom functionality, performance optimization, or quick bug fixes, I focus on delivering clean code and results that help your business grow.
I believe great communication, attention to detail, and meeting deadlines are just as important as writing quality code. If you're looking for a dependable WordPress expert who values long-term partnerships, I'd love to help bring your project to life. Let's build something amazing together.